Alright, the next piece of technology that I have decided to share with you is I selected Pinterest. Because while many people go to it to use it for ideas for their house or for craft, it's also a great place for teachers to go to get ideas from other teachers for their classroom. The purpose of this video is to show teachers how to use it to look for resources. And so the group I am using this video for would be my coworkers, and the IST standards that I felt like this fit were 4A, which is dedicating planning time with your colleagues to use ideas, and this is a great site for you to be able to find ideas and then share these with your colleagues. And then the other standard that I chose for this one would be 3B, and it's to create an authentic learning activity that aligns with content standards and maximizes student learning. So here you're able to find activities that are authentic, and they're going to align with what it is that you need to teach your students. So the way you go about using Pinterest is you would type into the search bar what it is that you want to find. So for this case I typed in Apple activities, and then it'll pull up a bunch of different activities that you can do with apples in your classroom. And so the one that I'm going to select is down here at the bottom, where students will be matching upper and lowercase letters. So if you go ahead and click on it, you can either save it or you can open it now to download it. So if you just want to save it, you're going to drop down the little thing, and this is my own Pinterest, so I have various things on here. So I'm going to save it under my Classroom Daily 5 because I would use it as an activity for this. But if I want to open it now and see what it is, I can also click on it and it'll bring it up, and then it shows me that this is going to be from Teachers Pay Teachers. So if you click down here on the website, it'll take you directly to it so you can print it and start using it in your classroom. So then if you go back, you can also look for other various things that you're wanting to use in your classroom. Like maybe it was Apple Week at my school, so we did a bunch of Apple activities with our sight words and taste testing apples. We did the Apple life cycle. We talked about if apples sink or float. We did some describing words with apples. So this was a great place for me to come, and a great resource to get some ideas for some Apple activities I wanted to do with my kids in the classroom. And then I was able to take these back to my colleagues, and we combined all our activities to make a really fun Apple Week that not only aligned with our content standards and maximized students' learning, but allowed them to learn about something fun outside the classroom. So that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching.